Are endless specifications and tight deadlines overshadowing your design creativity? Well, sounds like you need an Earlymark. With our innovative software tools and our team of established leaders in specification consulting, you get one of your most valuable assets back, your time. There's 3 key areas that Earlymark strives to add value to your project and your organisation. Number 1, connecting designers with curated product options through our internal tools and processes. Number 2, providing esteemed advice to our clients. So lean on us as we become part of your design team. And number 3, we produce best-in-class specifications. You're not alone on this journey. Our leadership team has over 45 years of collective experience doing this. Whether it's landmark projects that have helped shape our city skylines, or change the way we commute, and enhance the areas we live, work and play, Earlymark integrates design and specification. So let's work together and elevate your projects. Earlymark, improving the natural and built environment with every project.